Hi, I'm Cherylin, and today we're going to be replacing a water inlet assembly in a Maytag washer. You may need to replace the water inlet assembly if you're noticing problems with your water pressure or if yours is leaking. This repair should only take about 15 to 20 minutes. For this repair, we're going to need 5 tools: tape, a pair of channel lock pliers, star point screwdriver, 1/4-inch nut driver, and a flathead screwdriver. When working with washers, it's always helpful to have a towel handy for excess water as well. If you don't already have a new water inlet assembly, they are available for purchase on our website. Before repairing your washer, make sure that you disconnect it from its power source and also turn off the hot and cold water. We'll start by unhooking the drain hose and unscrewing the hoses from the washer. Remove the drain hose. Be careful of any excess water that might still be in the hose. Use your channel locks to loosen the hoses from the back of the washer. And then you can unscrew them by hand. We need to remove this small access panel. So we'll take our 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the bolt that's holding it in place. And we'll slide it out of the slots on the other side. Remove the 3 screws that hold in the upper back panel. Now you can lift them over the inlet valve and slide down to release. Remove the 1/4-inch hinge screws. Now we can tape down the lid, just so that doesn't fly open when we lift the top panel up. And then we can pull the top panel towards us, lift up, and then push back, and it'll unlock so we can lift it up. Now there are 2 metal tabs that need to slide into the slots on the top panel, and if those are lined up, you should be able to tip the top back, lay it against a wall. Just be very careful as you're tipping the top panel back. There is a pressure hose and a wire harness that'll get a little bit pinched as you lean it back, but as long as you're gentle, it shouldn't be a problem. Next, we're going to need to release the clips that hold in the control panel. We'll take our channel locks, squeeze that so it pushes the one end through. And when you're squeezing on the other side, make sure you have a good grip on the control panel because it's going to release. And with a grip on the control panel, close the lid. And then we can lift up on the control panel, releasing the hooks, and tip it forward. At this point, we can disconnect the wire harness that connects to the inlet valve. There's a little tab on the bottom, so you just need to press that in when you lift up to remove that. Now we can remove the star point mounting screws. And now we can remove the water inlet valve. Once you have your new water inlet valve all hooked up and ready to put in, go ahead and insert the spout. Make sure that the screw holes are lined up for the star point screws to remount. Connect the wire harness into the control panel. It'll click into place. And now we can reset the control panel. Flip the control panel back. You'll want to hook in the plastic hooks at the back. And then once everything's lined up, just push it down into place. Rescrew in the hinge screws. Replace the back panel by inserting the top first. 2 tabs should be on the outside. And then line them up over the water inlet valve. Make sure all the holes are lined up and it lays pretty flat. Insert the tabs in the small back panel. Line up the holes and replace the screw. Finally, we can reconnect the hoses. And we can turn on the water, plug it in, and give it a test run.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video very helpful. If you don't have any of the OEM parts and tools that you saw in the video, all of those products are available for purchase on our website. Our goal is to show that the everyday person is completely capable of cheap and easy household appliance repairs. So please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and maybe even show this video to a friend in need.